Are you me?
Everyone is
I'm
gonna
recording.
pick
Wait, blood, it's blood. What happened, dude?
Very attractive, big tattooed
Your
lady.
whole planet,
Bobby lady.
your whole universe
It's
Dude,
is
blood,
gonna
calm
ruin
down,
the day
guys.
that
Blood.
you
Blood,
disrespected
calm
me.
down.
Is it cause I'm a monkey?
Yes.
A part monkey?
No, you're invisible.
That's
'cause I'm
racist,
part
pal.
monkey.
That's racist, pal.
Yes.
Hey, pal.
Well, I'm sorry,
Hey, buddy.
Amazonian.
You know what? I'm gonna
You
get
want
my...
your planet gone too?
I don't think she's
You want to be
lying.
next?
I don't know. She doesn't know that you're Miles Morales. That way.
Yeah, I don't think she understands I'm a beaner. Back away.
But when
now.
she said monkey, though, when she said monkey, she kind of got it right when she said no monkeys.
Dude, I'm talking to this little white lady over here.
Every generation after
Excuse me,
you will
ma'am.
regret
Calm
your
down.
decisions today.
Hey, pal.
If I get to
Pal.
talk to you,
Calm
that is a
down.
pleasure.
You have the fucking vocab.
Calm.
And Blood patted his big fat stomach ever
Keep causing
essentially.
problems, pal.
Okay.
You're gonna get
That's awesome.
And so it was.
Yeah, we got problems.
I really don't.
I wish I was your belly. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little jelly.
Thank you.
Guys. No. I'm not a part of this freak life. I'm
No,
good.
you're welcome.
Slap him a bit. Yeah, hit him harder.
I don't know if I'm about his life, guys. She could literally be my mommy.
Yeah.
I don't think you.
What?
She could, she's she could be my mom. I'm 18, guys. She could
You
genuinely be
can't
my mom.
find it in person.
I'm scared.
I'm like,
What are you
The
talking
math- the
about?
math is
She's
correct.
only 18.
She's 32. What do you mean?
Are you
32.
younger?
She's
You're
32.
Yeah, I was sick. I had a
She,
sore throat.
she could be
Mommy.
my mommy, bro.
Mommy?
She could genuinely
No?
smack
No,
me
I'm just
across
gonna
the face
say
like my
that's
mom,
what I
bro.
sound like when I
Are we
scared.
fucking dead ass, dude? What the fuck was that?
Yo, mommy. You're like, mommy.
I
It's
said
like,
mommy.
it's like, mommy,
didn't know.
please. It's mommy,
I didn't-
please. It's like that. Get it, Craig.
Oh,
Get up, Craig. Boo.
Talk-
This is one of my
Boo.
altars.
No, boo.
You
Boo. No.
guys.
Boo. No.
Mommy! Mommy,
There's
they're
something
bullying me.
in my
Mommy,
ass.
they're bullying me. Mommy, they're bullying
wake
me.
the fuck up.
Wait, who's crashing out the session? Stop being a little a-hole. I'm gonna get my mommy to beat you up. I'm gonna get my mommy to
Come
beat
here.
you up.
Come here, come here.
Dude, what?
Reflex. Come here, AJ. Dude, she was feeling me, dude. She was feeling the 18-year-old vibes, bro. But she could deadass be
I
my
think
mom.
so, dude.
You could be my. She could genuinely be my mom. She could genuinely be my mom. She could be the. She could genuinely be my mom. Think about that. She could be my mom.
Yeah, dude.
Like, whoa. Dude, a guy like me? No. Dude, why would a big guy like me want all that?
Why are you? Why are you?
Dude, I'm scared.
Thank you. Thank you. That was killing me.
Rape. Back up, sir. No, back up. No, back away from me, sir. For my safety.
I think
back
you need to go
away.
back over there as that avatar. He's gonna rape you.
Excuse me,
Alright, then you gotta
ladies.
eat your own
Yes,
shit then.
I'm back, ladies. Yeah.
Don't-
What's up, bitch?
Don't
yeah.
tempt me with
This
a good
motherfucker
time.
is
Don't tempt me with a
barking
good
and
time.
Dude, I think he wants. You're making my homie bark for you, mommy. What the hell, pal? Whoa.
Give me your biggest, strongest, meanest. Oh.
We're all grown men, by the way. We're all grown.
Yeah, grown men, by the way. Grown men.
Grown
Yeah,
people, by
that's-
the way. All
that's-
of it is
that's-
30, by the way, dude.
That's a lot. That's
All
so
of it
much.
is-
record this or no?
So
I've
much.
been recording this whole
I
time
want
without their
that.
consent. They
Love
don't
you,
know.
mommy.
For me to crack.
I've been recording
I'll pay
it.
you to let me crack.
Bill, you're going on YouTube, by
You're
the way.
grounded.
Bill, you're going on YouTube, by the
Okay,
way.
I'll pay you
sorry.
like
Bill,
500.
you're going on YouTube, by the way. Names and everything. Y'all are going on YouTube.
This
Clips.
motherfucker was acting like Gohan and shit, and now he's like,
Bill,
he's
Bill,
become
I'm
such a
recording
bottom.
you, Bill.
I changed my avatar to fit who I am. So
Reflex, I'm recording
Hello.
this. Putting this on YouTube. I'm gonna name it VRC Weridos Get Caught Calling you. And this is
Didn't you
annoying.
do this exact thing not that long ago?
Mommy,
No. This
Mommy,
is yes, it is.
Mommy,
it is.
my
It counts.
words
I'm
are
like
words
different.
looks
I
exactly
realized how weird
like
I
his.
Void timed you out, dude. Just told me the
My
opposite.
worm looks exactly like his, mommy.
Can you stop talking about my
Anybody
choke, pal?
knows it's me.
Dude, stop talking
Just
about
like
my choke.
that.
Some weirdos, man.
Can you whisper in my ear and
We were talking to my own penis.
You're not what I like your guy for.
Wait,
I'm
I'm
a
a
little
little
bit-
bit.
by the way.
I don't get it, dude.
She's
I don't
32,
get it.
Guys. What are we glazing about?
She's a cougar,
Weren't
bro.
you
She
in
can
that-
touch me all she
You're in
wants.
the
I don't know. I
32,
think
yeah.
she's not
She
just
can-
like
she can
possible.
still
Yeah, Alex just told that one personally. Yeah, no shit.
Scared.
It's you. You're 33.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
let her
different because he's a
groom
man
me
and hitting
on
on dudes. Making dudes call him mommy. It's different.
Blood Rise.
Yeah.
Were you in like?
I'm hearing a
calling
bark.
you
the
dad.
one like
Baby, we just
one
walked up
owner
on
that was like a pedophile or some shit.
This is really shit.
What? Don't you talk to
What?
my
Our
mom
match
like
is the
that?
vibe.
You don't remember?
No.
This is like the average guard chat.
You don't remember that shit, bro?
I beat up Mike Tyson. I'll beat you up.
Boo,
Dude, you were
boo,
in
are
the.
you-
You were the
Boo, are
one
you-
with the.
Boo, are you mentally special?
You don't remember?
Like, retarded. Christian.
Obviously, I
Don't you
remember.
come on this game to have fun, you silly.
No, I come on here to
You say so
like
now.
you. You're kind. You're kind.
Thank
pal.
you.
Yeah,
You're
I hear
welcome,
you.
pal.
You mean our kind?
Yeah,
You
You mean
you're
our
black,
kind?
you're
Because
racist.
we're both the
Sensing a lot
same.
of sexual tension.
What? You call
Yeah,
me
I'm
black?
gonna
Are you
get-
racist?
Yes, dude. Always.
The fuck?
Never when I'm not.
He's racist.
Duh, I call people
I
niggas.
think
That's my
you
name.
need to crawl
What do you
into
mean?
Yo,
his
reflex. Can
foreskin
I? Hold on.
and just bundle
Trust
up
me.
there.
Trust me,
not-
I'm
I
not
don't
Jewish,
care.
so I have a lot of foreskin to go through.
He-
So yeah, come in here and get in my foreskin. Because I have a lot of it to go through.
I am your
Just
foreskin.
crawl in like a fleshy
Yeah,
tunnel.
yeah, get in
Who are
there.
you talking to?
I'm not Jewish. I'm not Jewish, so get in there.
You, get inside him.
like a trap. Yeah,
Come on. I don't want to get fat, so get in my
That was-
tummy.
you're a chat weirdo.
I don't want to get fat, so get in my tummy.
Hey,
He's been practicing gaping himself
Oh,
just for you to
come
crawl
on,
in
man.
there.
Get in there.
He's been making it home for
You're
you.
next.
You're gonna love it.
No.
Yeah,
I'm
loading it
trying.
up.
Okay, get in there. Right
Jesus
now.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah. Can I do a bit? Can I do like a little bit real quick?
It's okay, I'm trying, buddy. You got this.
The mom's
Thank
next.
you.
Are you a single
Merry
mother?
Christmas.
By the way,
I'm gonna.
your mother figure is next.
no.
I do love my mom.
I am
Your
both the
mom's
mother
next,
and
pal.
the
Sorry to
father.
break it to you.
Get a quick sniff.
Your mom's next.
This is a test tube child.
Can I crack?
Yeah.
Daddy, you can do whatever with mommy.
Okay, let's not be over here.
Not
You
there.
You smell good, miss.
Not there.
Make sure that worm doesn't bully me anymore.
There it is.
What are we
Now, let me.
doing? Dude, my God.
This is in love with you.
Motor boy
Mommy,
your
why do
mommy,
people
dude.
like me like
Motor
that?
boy your mommy.
Why do people
Nah.
like me?
Motor boy your mommy.
I don't know,
now.
but you
Mommy
just have
says
a
you're trying to
beautiful
play with me.
face.
Motor boy your mommy now.
Is it because I beat up Mike Tyson that you like
You
me?
need to motor boy your mommy now. Hitting a bonk is crazy. Motor boy your mommy.
If she
now.
allows it,
Hey,
only
motor-
I can't do
be
anything
weird
without her
now.
permission.
Be weird now.
I can't do anything without mommy's permission.
Yeah,
But I did like that fat, fat ass
you can
bomb
play
hit.
around with him.
Okay.
you.
Mommy,
Dude, when
this
I
is
got
my
to
dreams.
Ash, you were talking
Mommy,
about how
Milky's.
everyone's gonna ruin the day.
What the fuck?
I'm not gonna lie, I did like that fat ass bonk.
Boo, you were literally
like
the
5 minutes.
first
You need help, bro.
Yeah, I crashed.
No, I
last, and she
don't.
was like, "You're gonna ruin the day. You're gonna die. Everyone's gonna die." Now she's getting motorboated by the guy.
This is
I'm
literally
witnessing
heaven
VRC
What?
Weridos.
right now.
I'm witnessing VRC Weridos. I'm recording.
You gotta go to Just B Club for
I'm
that.
gonna leave. I'm gonna leave
recording
my
this all, by the way.
parents'
This is freaking
bedroom,
I'm making money on this.
and I'm gonna love this.
Guys, this is weird.
What?
She's on my church.
Today you
Wait,
became
so you're recording people without the good set, bro?
Because there's no glass.
That's why.